Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make donuts incredibly soft. Achieving that perfect, melt-in-your-mouth texture requires attention to several key steps. We'll start by selecting the right ingredients and understanding their roles. Then, we'll delve into proper dough handling and the crucial proofing process. Finally, I'll share tips for frying your donuts to golden perfection, ensuring they remain wonderfully soft and delicious. Let's get started on your journey to the ultimate soft donut. The foundation of a soft donut lies in its ingredients. Using whole milk instead of water adds richness and moisture, which is vital for tenderness. Eggs are also crucial. They provide fat and protein, contributing to a more delicate crumb. Incorporating a good amount of butter or shortening not only adds flavor, but also shortens gluten strands, making the donut wonderfully soft. A touch of sugar also helps retain moisture and promotes browning. Proper dough handling is paramount for softness. After mixing your ingredients, knead the dough just enough to develop some elasticity, but avoid overkneading, which can make your donuts tough. The first proof is critical. Let the dough rise in a warm spot until it has doubled in size, usually for about 1 to 2 hours. After shaping, a second, shorter proof of about 30 minutes allows the donuts to become light and airy before frying. The final step, frying, is where your soft donuts truly come to life. Heat your oil to a consistent 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Frying at this temperature ensures the donuts cook through quickly without absorbing too much oil, which can make them heavy. Fry for about 1 to 2 minutes per side until they are a beautiful golden brown. Immediately after frying, drain them on a wire rack to prevent any excess oil from making them soggy, preserving that delightful softness.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.